Before we go more further, I would like to show you diagram of water tube, boiler and where furnace is placed. Firstly, I would like to explain to you what is furnace. Furnace derives from Latin word fornax, which means oven. A furnace is a device used for high-temperature heating. The heat energy to fuel a furnace may be supplied directly by fuel combustion. Furnace is a chamber formed which combustion take place. Fuel is burned inside the furnace, creating hot gas which heats water in the steam-generating tubes. Working pressure inside furnace is in range 4 to 5 bars. Let me show you how the furnace look like on boiler water tube. Inside the furnace, it consists water wall tubes and fire brick. It is refractory materials, it can withstand high temperature and pressure, and also to protect the steel shell of the furnace. What is fire brick and its function inside the furnace? Like I said it before, fire brick is refractory material and used to protect the steel shell of the furnace, and built primarily to withstand high temperature. This is example of fire brick that can be used inside furnace. Fire brick consists of an aluminium oxide content that can be as high as 50 to 80%, with correspondingly less silica, making furnaces are used at temperatures up to 1648 degrees Celsius. Here is an example of water wall tube. Tubing arrangement around the furnace to extract heat from fuel to generate steam. Water walls get the heat from radiation and approximately absorb the 50% of the total heat produced in the furnace. Thank you for watching. Bye.